Hi guys, it's Dr. Sarah, the Vagabond Shrink. Remember, I am here to help you relax through stress-free travel. So I wanted to give you another Vagabond Shrink tip, and this is about packing and what to wear. So I have done trips as long as 3 weeks before. Oh, and the cat. This is the little Vagabond kitty. What do you think? You don't get to go with me to travel, but he is super cute, isn't he? He was just saying hi. He wanted to be in the film. Anyway, so I've gone on trips as long as 3 weeks before, and you know what a pain in the butt it is to try to find a laundromat. It's expensive if you want to just drop your laundry off to have it cleaned, and if you want to take enough clothes to last you 3 weeks without washing, that's a ton of clothes, especially if you're going to multiple places. Unless you go on a cruise where you can go, you know, maybe 10 nights, you go to 8 different ports of call and you don't have to unpack, that's different. But if you're going throughout Europe or through Latin America where you're going maybe 2 or 3 nights at each place, then it becomes very problematic to pack that much clothes. So I wanted to show you my staple when I travel. This may not be the most fashion forward clothes, but I really love Columbia, the store Columbia, like it's in all the outlet malls, Columbia, because they have these amazing shirts for like fishing or hiking or whatever, but they're awesome because you can wash them in the sink. You can wear them multiple times. I bring a lot of these little t-shirts that wick away the sweat, and then you wear them underneath the shirt. It's very little, like it doesn't make you hot or anything like that, and then the shirt doesn't really get that dirty, but you can wash it in the sink super easy. You can also roll up the sleeves, so it can be short sleeve or it can be long sleeve. The other thing I wear are these pants. Same place, Columbia pants. These can roll up and then you just attach them here so they can be some shorts. There's some that zip off. And again, they're super lightweight and you can wash them in the sink if you want to. It may not be the most fashion forward clothes, but it's super easy. And honestly, when you're traveling, it's not about a fashion show. It's about experience where you're going and enjoying the experience, not carrying around 100 pounds of luggage. Not fun. The other thing I would recommend is wearing a good pair of tennis shoes. So what I do with my tennis shoes, this isn't like the best pair ever. It doesn't have as much support as I would like, but I wanted to show you the insole. The insole is the most important thing when you travel. I buy a good insole from like New Balance. You can go to like the store and they test your gait and figure out what the best one is. But this, in whatever pair of shoes, you just pull out the insole that comes with the shoe and stick this in. It's amazing. It's amazing. It'll be like you're walking around on pillows. It'll totally make your life so much better. I cannot emphasize how important it is to wear tennis shoes with an insole, not just the insole that comes with the pair. Even good tennis shoes, the insoles still suck. So pull it out and put a really good insole in. The other thing with packing is I do not like to check my luggage. I don't like to wait in line when I get to the airport to have to drop it off. I prefer to check in ahead of time, use the app on my phone for the airline so I can just show the ticket counter. Not even the ticket counter, I go straight to security and just walk through with my carry-on. So you want to get as much as possible in a carry-on, and these bags are amazing. You don't need a vacuum cleaner or anything like that. You just put everything you can in here, and then what you'll do is basically roll it, get the air out, and then close it. And it becomes, you know, like we all know how these bags work. It sucks down all the air and you can get a lot more in your carry-on. So I usually use at least 2 or 3 of these. They're also really, really good on your way home because you can put your dirty clothes in them and it sucks it down to nothing as well. So this will save you time and money and headache if you use these bags. So I hope these tips helped you. The little vagabond rescue wanted to be in the film too. He got jealous of his brother. Definitely, you know, think about packing. It's really important that you try to downsize. Nobody ever brags about the whole idea that I pack more for every trip I went on. Nobody brags about that because it's just not important. Take the essentials, take lightweight clothes, use the little suck-in bags, put everything in a carry-on. Your life is going to be so much better. So happy travels. If you like my videos, please click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.